Hi there, I am Alex Cunningham, and I will walk you through this Squarespace tutorial step by step.
Today, I'll show you exactly how to add SEO descriptions in Squarespace 7.1 for both your store products and blog posts. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know how to make your website more discoverable on Google and other search engines, helping you attract the right visitors and grow your online presence. Alright, let's dive right in and start with your store. If you haven't already, you'll need to add a store to your Squarespace site. It's simple. From your dashboard, just select Add Store. Think of this as laying the foundation for your online shop. Without a store section, you won't be able to showcase products, so getting this in place is essential. Next, choose a template that best fits your brand and the vibe you want to project. This might seem minor, but your template affects how visitors interact with your site and, indirectly, how search engines interpret your content. For instance, a clean, organized template can keep people engaged longer, which is great for SEO. Now, I'll assume you've already added at least one product to your store. That's where we'll work our SEO magic. Head over to the Products section in your store. When you see your list of products, look at the left pane next to your product's name. You'll see three little dots. Click those and a menu will pop up. From here, select Settings. This is where you control all the details about your product, from pricing to images. Scroll down and you'll spot a section labeled SEO. Go ahead and click Edit. Now, this part is crucial. The SEO description is what helps your product show up in search results. It's what someone browsing Google might see before deciding to click. Here, write a clear, enticing description of your product. Be specific about what makes it special. For example, instead of blue shirt, try super soft, eco-friendly blue cotton shirt, perfect for summer days. You want to capture not just what your product is, but also why someone would want it. Take your time crafting these descriptions. They really matter. Once you're happy with your description, save your changes. You've just given your product a much better shot at being found online. Now let's repeat the process for your blog posts. Return to your site's main navigation, add a new page and select Blog as the type. Here, just like with your store, Squarespace will offer you different blog templates to choose from. Pick one that suits your style, maybe something minimalist or maybe a template with bold visuals if you're a creative blogger. Once your blog page is set up and you've added a post, look for the three dots on the left pane next to your post title. Click those and select Settings. Tap into the SEO option. Here you'll be able to set a custom SEO description for each blog post. This is your chance to summarize what your blog post covers in a way that catches the reader's eye in search results. For instance, if your post is about healthy breakfast ideas, you might write, "Discover 5 delicious, easy-to-make breakfasts to kickstart your day feeling great." Drawing people in with a compelling snippet helps boost your click-through rate and ultimately your traffic. That's it. Adding SEO descriptions for both products and blog posts in Squarespace 7.1 is actually pretty straightforward once you know where everything is. Remember, these small details make a big difference in how people find your site online. I hope this guide was helpful. If you have any questions, just drop them in the comments below and I'll do my best to help out. Don't forget to like the video if you found it useful and subscribe to the channel for more easy Squarespace and website tutorials. Happy building!